Today we're going to be scalping with a momentum strategy, and we're going to be profiting big time. Let's dive right in. This is the strategy right here. So we're going to be using the moving averages, see where they cross over. We're going to be looking at the momentum indicator right here to make sure everything aligns perfectly. Let's look at some of the cryptocurrencies and see where they're at. So I'm going to start buying here to see how this momentum takes us. That's a little bit below. It's fine. You don't want to panic when it comes to trading, or you don't want to let too many emotions take control, right? So here was a profit, so that's really good. Let's go into a few other trades. So right here, we see everything is downtrending here, and it's not very steady though. As you can see, the momentum sometimes goes up, goes down really fast. It's hard to tell, right? Although right here we can see all the moving averages are downwards, so we can say that this is pretty good likelihood that it'll go down further. So let's see if this plays out properly. Okay, it's down. We're selling here, right? Okay, perfect. Another big profit right there. So as you can see again, another good profit from the momentum strategy. So we're just leveraging the momentum of existing stocks, existing cryptocurrencies. We can also do it on stocks as well though. I just find cryptocurrencies to be a little bit more volatile, which means more movements, and more movements is really good for the momentum strategy right here. So as we can see here, everything is going downwards as well. Hard to tell if it'll go down further. I might have an uptrend right now. Let's see, maybe there's a support level around here. And it probably is around here, maybe. So it'll probably bounce back up. It's my estimation. So it's a little bit risky there. So you have to always consider like multiple factors, like the support resistance levels, along with the momentum and the moving averages and moving average crossovers, all that. So here you can see it's going down, that downward momentum. So I'm going to wait a little bit on this one. It's going down further. You just check right here, the level right here. So tonight, okay, so this might be some sort of a resistance level to be concerned about. So, okay. So everything's going down right now, it seems. So I'm going to sell according to the momentum indicator right here. And we're going to see how this plays out. So as you know, not all trades will be wins. Some trades will be losses, and that's fine. Okay. So here was just neutral. We can go to, let's say, Polygon, check out what's happening there. Okay. So here it's a little bit more volatile. Could play this up, but will likely go down for the next candle. Let's see here. Yeah, once it reaches this level roughly, it'll probably go down. Oh, it's going down. Yeah. Let's see here. It'll probably go up a little bit more. Here there's upwards momentum slightly, so I'm going to buy right here. Leverage that. It's a little bit shaky, so this might not pay out properly, but we'll see about that. Okay, perfectly. It played out perfectly. So there we go. Another big profit with the momentum strategy. As you see, there was upwards momentum that started trending. So we took advantage of that and went with the momentum, and we profited again. So this strategy, generally speaking, works 50 to 60% of the time. Generally speaking, it works closer to 60% of the time from my experience. Let's see here. And okay, this is down quite a bit, actually. Yeah. So probably won't trade that's a little bit too iffy for the momentums. Dogecoin potentially. And this is also quite iffy. So Polkadot. Okay. Some decent movements here. See where this is at. Okay. So it's sort of trending upwards a little bit now from a downward spiral. So potentially we could leverage an upwards momentum. Just put that there. It's a 1 minute. So we're just gonna wait this out. Here it is. And it was a profit again. So right here, we see we've profited several $1,000s already in just a span of a few minutes. And let's see here, we're gonna try to take advantage of another situation. We're just playing with the house money right now, honestly. which is always a good feeling to have playing with house money. So let's try to look here, see what kind of trends are happening in Tron. So here, I don't think this is the best option to go with. Maybe Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is huge upward trend, huge upward trend. Okay, it might be actually all-time high for today. Can't really look at that too deeply. Here might be something happening. Okay, potentially take advantage of a momentum trend, potentially upwards soon. Let's look at Solana. Solana is huge upwards trend. Okay, it's really good to see. It will probably go up to around this level right here, then fall. Actually, we can sell soon, probably. Let's take advantage of this selling momentum. And it's going to be a minute. All right, so here's the trade. It's going to be a very close call. We'll see. Okay, great profit. So that's the last profit. That's the last trade of the day. Last profit of the day, really. So for all the trades, didn't lose money at least, right? So that's a really good demonstration. The momentum strategy works. So as you see, if you see something trending downwards or starting to trend downwards, it's a great strategy to just move towards that and see how it plays out. If something's trending upwards or starting to trend upwards, you just go with the momentum and let the momentum take you. It, generally speaking, only works from for really short-term scalping kind of strategies from 5-second to 1-minute intervals. Try this out for yourself on a demo account first, or maybe just try it with a little bit of money and see how it works for you. See if the strategy is right for you. Happy trading, and like and follow for more trading sessions like this.